Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend, wie geht's? For those of you who are new to us, so we are the TSTW, soit S008 traders. For Elliott Wave Trading, our website is www.24elliottwaves.com. For general trading, is www.stochastic-magd.com. For Fibonacci trading, core value trading, fractal trading is www.dayprotraders.com. This video is, the title of this video is a flat correction mind game. We have already posted a video about third wave mind game, second wave mind game, first wave mind game, fifth wave mind game. Now we're going to discuss the flat correction mind game. Three things will always affect our trading results. These are the mind game of trading, alright, the trading methods, and the money management. For all trade, we must use the 5% money management rules and apply stop loss in all trade. This video is for educational purposes only. It is primarily for the TSTW traders. Let's get started. Flat correction mind game. As I explained to you in the previous video that we titled Fifth Wave Mind Game, I was telling you that it's very important to learn first the theory. So we learn it by the head. The second thing is to understanding with our heart. Understanding the mind, going to the heart of traders. This is about the mind game. We are going to their mind and their heart to know what other market participants, the hedge funds, the institutional banks, the investment banks, the market makers, the liquidity traders, other market participants are likely to do. This is about the mind game. The flat correction. This is a very important point that trader must note down. The flat correction, according to the theory, takes place after a strong, motive wave, either bullish motive wave or bearish motive wave. When we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave, and the price is in a rising channel, and this is the beginning of a new Elliott wave cycle. We know that the Elliott wave cycle is formed of the motive wave and the corrective phase. When we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves, that's the motive wave. If the motive wave is very, very strong, in this case, I'm using a bullish pattern here. The same is true for the bearish pattern, all right? Because we are talking about Wall Street traders, all right? We are using the Apple stock, which is American stock. American traders are bullish traders, all right? They are typical bullish traders. All right, that's why I'm using here a bullish pattern. All right, so when the motive wave is very, very strong, the motive wave starts from here, ended here, divided into 5 waves. Okay, this time we are using uptrend. The same thing is true for the downtrend, 5 wave down. If the motive wave in the uptrend is very, very strong, or if the motive wave is very, very bearish in the downtrend, during the downtrend, we are likely to see a flat correction. A correction that is not very deep, that's why we call it flat. Doesn't go too deeply. But there are different types of flat correction. We have the classic flat correction, all right, the running flat correction, and the expanded flat correction. Go to www.youtube.com/24elliottwaves to watch the video about a flat correction. You may also go to our website, 24elliottwaves. All right? So, if the motive wave is very, very bullish or very, very bearish, we are likely to see a flat correction. Why? Now we are talking about the mind game. Why? We want to understand. We want to master. Why is flat? Now, let's analyze. As I said to you, when we are counting wave, we don't just count wave. We are analyzing each wave individually. Now, because the wave principle allows us also to go into the mind of other traders to understand what they call the market psychology. All right? So the area wave principle is based on the fractal pattern. It's also based on the psychology of the mass, the psychology of the market. That's why it's so important to analyze each wave carefully. I don't want to talk about, the psychology of each wave here. That will be another web page, probably. But we see, if we see that the motive is too extended, we are likely to see a flat correlation. Why? Now, you have to see that my drawing here, I made the third area wave very long. In fact, it went all the way to 314 extension of my first area wave. So from here to here, that's the first wave. From here to here, that's the second area wave. And from here to here, the turquoise line, this is the third area wave, fourth wave, and the fifth wave in orange. So you can see that if the third area wave is extended, or talking about the wave genius, if the multi-wave, is more than 3 times the projection of the consolidation range, is too bullish. The market, what's happening? The market is dominated by one group only, the bulls. If it was in a downtrend, we will say that the market is dominated by the bear. The market is full of bulls, buyers. So any move to the downside is made by buyers. That's why the correction is shallow. It couldn't go down more because the market is saturated, so to speak, by the bulls. If you are in a downtrend, you will see that the market is saturated by the bear. All right, you understand? So the market is full of one group of dominant force, bullish in this case. They want to buy. People are just buying because the fundamental is gorgeous. The market stack is bullish. Market environment great. People just want to buy. So that's why, as we see here, the flat correction. I don't want to talk about the flat correction itself. We are talking about the mind game of the flat correction. The flat correction in form of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, we have a running flat correction, a expanded flat correction, and a classic flat correction. So here we will see, especially during the what I call the running flat correction, the price will go 1, 2, 3. So you see here this move. It's a zigzag first. 1, 2, 3 is a zigzag, all right? It's a zigzag, all right? But the price will come down 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. This is what we call a double retracement. Cancellation of the fifth wave, and then again a move to the upside again. It's a double retracement. You cancel it and go back again to the point, or even will go and extend it. That's why I said you have to learn about the different type of flat correction. Some will go to 138% Fibonacci extension of the fifth wave. Now, I don't want to dwell on that. I'll bring my team back, otherwise the video will be too long. All right? So price goes down 1, 2, 3. Market is saturated by the bull. They want to buy again at the support level somewhere here, or the price may be below it, and people are buying again. Price go up. And that's why sometimes you will see during the flat correction, the price will exceed the high of the fifth wave, because the market is saturated by one group of market participants. The inverse is true in a downtrend. We see 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Price may go above the high of the previous, the fifth wave, or the price, talking about the classic flat correction, the price may stop here and then come down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A, B, C. All right. So during the flat correction phase, the reason why the correction couldn't go down too much, you see, so at this point people count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's going through their mind? We are talking about the mind game. They are expecting anotherly correction, bringing the price down to the 50% and 61.8% of the motive wave. All right, so they're expecting the correction to be A, B, C. All right, bringing the price down from here somewhere here. They're expecting a correction. But as the correction began, people say, this is it. I told you the correction has begun. The correction didn't go down so deeply. The bull challenged those bears and said that, look, we are still in the market. We are not going anywhere. We believe that the stock should go up more. And they buy 1, 2, 3. Sometimes they will push it and the price will exceed the high of the fifth wave. This is the mind game of the flat correction. As I explained to you, there is a classic flat correction, an expanded flat correction, and a running flat correction. But when we are talking about the mind game or the flat correction, we know that the flat correction takes place if the motive wave is very, very strong, either very, very bullish or very, very bearish. I do not want the video to be too long. I will stop here. I hope you have learned something from this video, also about the flat correction mind game, and we'll put it into use, okay, to make excellent wave trading decision. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW traders. If you are TSTW trader and you have any question, please do not hesitate to contact me on my Gmail. Speak to you soon.